Two former policemen allegedly shot Pampanga beauty pageant candidate Geneva Lopez and her Israeli boyfriend Yitzhak Cohen over a land dispute, according to the Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. CIDG Chief Major General Leo Francisco reveals this after presenting suspects Michael Angelo Giang and Romel Abuzo at a press conference.
Yung Magnovia ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na magpagkita kay Giang. Dahil si Giang ay may isinanlang lupa kay Geneva. At gusto nang bawiin ni Geneva ang lupa na kanyang isinanla kay Giang. In the same manner, sinabi ni Giang na may buyer din yung lupang sinanla niya. At ipapakilala nga niya kay Geneva itong si Abuso as buyer. From that point, nagkita sila sa Barangay Armenia at binaril ng dalawang pulis na ito, na dating pulis na to, ang magkasintahan.
Francisco also says the two suspects had planned the killing.
So makikita nyo, it's a planned activity. Nakita nyo na one day before sa aming investigasyon ay nag-usap si Giang at si Abuso tungkol sa gagawin nila sa Magnovia na to. So there was that plan of killing itong Magnovia na to.
Police are preparing to file murder complaints against the two former policemen and others involved in the couple's killing. Giang and Abuzo were earlier arrested in separate operations for violation of the Firearms Regulation Law and possession of an explosive under Republic Act No. 9516. Another suspect, identified as Jeffrey Santos, has also been arrested, while two other unnamed persons of interest surrendered to authorities and gave their statements to the police. Two persons of interest remain at large. CIDG and Tarlac Police recovered the remains of Lopez and Cohen within a quarry site in Barangay Santa Lucia in Capas, Tarlac on July 6, 2 weeks after they disappeared on June 21.